Conjugation of the verb to invest in 12 English tenses. 1. Simple present, I invest. 2. Simple past, I invested. 3. Simple future, I will invest. 4. Present continuous, I am investing. 5. Past continuous, I was investing. 6. Future continuous, I will be investing. 7. Present perfect, I have invested. 8. Past perfect, I had invested. 9. Future perfect, I will have invested. 10. Present perfect continuous, I have been investing. 11. Past perfect continuous, I had been investing. 12. Future perfect continuous, I will have been investing. Conjugation of the verb to invest. He, she or it. 1. Simple present. He, she or it invests. 2. Simple past. He, she or it invested. 3. Simple future. He, she or it will invest. 4. Present continuous. He, she or it is investing. 5. Past continuous. He, she or it was investing. 6. Future continuous. He, she or it will be investing. 7. Present perfect. He, she or it has invested. 8. Past perfect. He, she or it had invested. 9. Future perfect. He, she or it will have invested. 10. Present perfect continuous. He, she or it has been investing. 10. 11. Past perfect continuous. He, she or it had been investing. 12. Future perfect continuous. He, she or it will have been investing. Conjugation of the verb to invest. You, we or they. 1. Simple present. You, we or they invest. 2. Simple past. You, we or they invested. 3. Simple future. You, we or they will invest. 4. Present continuous. You, we or they are investing. 5. Past continuous. You, we or they were investing. 6. Future continuous. You, we or they will be investing. 7. Present perfect. You, we or they have invested. 8. Past perfect. You, we or they had invested. 9. Future perfect. You, we or they will have invested. 10. Present perfect continuous. You, we or they have been investing. 11. Past perfect continuous. You, we or they had been investing. 12. Future perfect continuous. You, we or they will have been investing. Verb to invest form. Present simple I, you, we, they invest. He, she, it invests. Past simple invested. Past participle invested. Ing form investing.